This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to fix your Dodge Charger door handle. We'll start by identifying common problems, like a handle that feels loose or completely broken. Then, we'll gather all the necessary tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Having a well-lit and organized workspace is crucial for a smooth repair. This initial preparation will save you time and frustration later on, ensuring you have everything at your fingertips. Now, let's move on to removing the interior door panel. First, locate and remove all visible screws, typically found in the armrest, door pull, or behind a small cover. Next, use a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry around the edges of the panel, releasing the clips. Once loose, gently lift the panel and disconnect any electrical connectors and the door latch cable. Take your time here to avoid damaging any components. With the door panel removed, you'll have clear access to the door handle mechanism. Locate the bolts or screws holding the old handle in place, usually 2 or 3 of them. Carefully unbolt and remove the broken handle, paying attention to how the rods and cables are attached. Then, install your new handle, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Reconnect all the rods and cables securely to the new handle, making sure they operate smoothly. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Start by reconnecting all the electrical connectors and the door latch cable to the interior door panel. Carefully align the panel with the door frame and firmly press it back into place, ensuring all the clips engage. Reinstall any screws you removed earlier. Before closing up completely, test the new door handle several times to confirm it opens and closes smoothly. Also, check that all power windows and locks are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.